Vivin Joy speaking. Good morning, friends. Recently, I came across an article in the Times of India where they spoke about the problems that stammers have during the online classes. They found it really difficult to raise a question because they have to hurry up before other starts a conversation. This time pressure adds up to their stammer and they lose their confidence. This is the same problem I had during my school days. I found it really difficult to speak to teachers, ask questions because of the fear of getting laughed at or being asked to sit down and ask some other time. I believe people or the parents or the school teachers aren't equipped or trained to handle people like us, stammers. I mean, we are not considered a person with a problem, but a person with a funny problem. It's time that we bring an awareness and help these stammers like me at a young age. Teachers, parents should be able to know how to handle them and take care of them. One way is for the school to find out such stammers in their school because it's quite evident to find one, and try to have a personalized coaching. The teachers could ask them to stand up and ask questions. The teachers could talk to the class about stammering and help them understand what the problem is, and the only thing that stammerers require is a bit of attention and patience. So on this International Stammering Awareness Day today, I would like to spread a message asking the people to help and support stammerers like me, cause we need your support and a bit of patience. Bye for now, Vivin Joy.